Self-etch done. Let's move on to the pretty black stuff, shall we? This thing is such a pain in the butt to paint. Gotta hit all these weird inner angles. This is where, like, I don't know, I just like to dip the whole thing into a giant bucket and just boop. That'd be nice.
Get all the dust off the important parts, all the shiny parts. Give it a nice surface to stick to. I'm very happy I made this stand. It's working out so well. Perfect. I'll check in when this is done.
The hardest part of painting, especially with this stuff, is waiting 7 days before it's hard. But I'm excited. It came out pretty good, even though it was a total pain in the butt to paint. So. Nice. Got the swing arm mounted. That went very smooth. I need a pin for this. And I probably should have cleaned up the shock. I didn't remember how to put this thing together. And this seems like an integral part of the support for the back seat, or just this seat itself. And I'm not putting this on there without painting it. So this whole rear assembly is gonna have to wait, because I learned the hard way. You really need to give it the full 7 days for this paint to cure, or else you get stuff like this. That's just in the paint now, so that's gonna have to be touched up. There's a couple things up here where I was laying it down on cardboard. You can see those ridges in that paint. So my impatience got the better of me. Got these cleaned up. Yeah, good enough anyway. I'm gonna scrape this guy out a little more. Then hit him with the salvage. And while I'm painting, I might as well get this headlight bezel. The outside's not too bad, but I still want it to be black, so I'm gonna knock it down with 400 grit and you know, give it the old special sauce here. So let's get at it. Go. These look all right. This came out pretty good with the self-etching primer. This is the anti-rust coating paint. I got one little run I have to take care of real quick. That shouldn't be a problem. And these guys I painted with, it's just not the same paint I used elsewhere. And it's kind of, you know, it was knocked around a little bit. So I'm gonna scuff these guys up and then just hit them all at once with the black enamel paint. All right. 1 coat of primer, 2 coats of paint. Even touched up the forks, which I'm very excited about. All right, that's about as far as I can go with this right now. I need access to this cover to put the chain on, and the chain isn't here yet because I'm getting a new one. And yeah, that's it. So keep hitting minor roadblocks, but we're still making progress. Again, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.